In this video, I'm going to show you how to access your location system apps on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. What you want to do, just simply find your settings app or your settings option. If you're not able to find it here, just swipe up and you can find the settings from your app screen. Click on that and open it. Scroll all the way down to where you find location requests or location. You will click on that. Then go ahead and click on app permissions. Now, once you're inside the app permissions, guys, if you want to find those system apps, you will need to simply click the three dots on the upper right hand side and then you will see show system. So once you tap on that, it will now show all of those system apps available. And these are easy to identify because they have the gear beside them, right? So you just need to scroll through now and you can find all of those location system apps that you can grant permissions to. So this is very easy, guys. Hope you found this useful. And if so, give this video a like and thank you guys for watching. See you next time, guys.